What are y'all gonna do, guys?
We're not gonna have a band because it's time to
or a talent show, because you know what? You guys weren't listening fast enough. I've been waiting forever.
And I've been waiting for you guys to listen.
Yeah, but we were. No, you guys weren't. You guys, when we're trying to
were just like jumping on the bed.
Yeah, but we wanted to sing.
And then why were you jumping on the bed?
And then when I came in and I wanted you guys to do a talent show, I told you about it, and then you just started not paying attention. I'm trying to talk.
I know, that's what I'm trying to do. I said, can you please stop being crazy, and you guys just ignored me and didn't say anything back and did not stop.
Yeah, but we did that to Austin.
And that's not nice. Same with you, Presley. Can I have your ones?
Why?
Because I'm gonna put